If you're running a business, it's important to track the visitors that come to your workplace, and that normally comes in the form of a visitor's log. Let's discuss the importance of keeping an accurate visitor log. There are a few key reasons why it's important to have visitors sign in at reception. It helps you keep track of who is coming and going. This information can be useful for security purposes or just for knowing who was on the premises in case of an evacuation. It allows you to collect data and vital information about your visitors, including their contact details. It helps you create a more professional image for your business, as the front desk is often the first place a visitor will see. And lastly, a logbook can help you comply with government regulations. In some cases, businesses are required to track the visitors that come to their premises. A digital visitor logbook is an electronic version of the traditional visitor's log. It allows businesses to track visitors using a computer or mobile device like an iPad. There are many benefits to using a digital logbook, as it's more accurate than a paper-based system and can improve the visitor experience. There are many benefits to replacing paper visitor logs with a digital logbook. It's more accurate than a paper-based system, so you won't need to worry about reading ineligible handwriting, as everything is typed into the system. You can report on visitor information more easily. View which company visits you the most and other details like which entrances are used more frequently. It also removes a lot of manual tasks for front desk staff, like sending host notifications when a visitor signs in. So we have covered some of the reasons it's important to record an accurate visitor's log. Whether it's to improve safety, automate notifications, or generate reports more easily, a digital sign-in system can bring many benefits to your business. If you're looking to replace your existing paper visitor logbooks, or you don't currently have a visitor's log for your building, then take a look at the VisitUs Visitor Management System today.